Welcome to JohnMel Stables, built in 2021 by HFH Inc. and outfitted with many System Equine products. A newer feature of System Equine's Dutch doors and windows is the window prop, which allows you to open the window slightly and not all the way, maybe when the weather isn't as good and you still want some ventilation in the barn. Window grills are great, but what's even better are opening window grills, which allow you to clean the surface of the glass without having to get in between these bars and frustrating yourself. These adjustable hinges are great, especially for extreme Canadian winters and extreme Canadian summers. Buildings tend to expand and contract, and if you're suddenly finding that you can't open your door as easily anymore, all you need to do is get a wrench out and adjust this a little bit, and your door is good as new. Here's our window latch for easy opening and closing of your Dutch windows. These doors feature a beautiful Tuscany latch, which allows you to open the door from the outside, but never from the inside, so no pesky horses are getting out. Now that we've taken a look at the beautiful exterior of this barn, let's go take a look inside. Here we have our gorgeous double Dutch door hardware, featuring adjustable rockwood hinges, spring latch, iron grip latch, spring bolt, and cane bolt. This elegant front is our Nobleman stall series, part of our designer slide collection. The latch chosen for this door is the spring-loaded bar latch. What I love about this latch is when you open it, you can slide it closed very easily. These stalls feature a Nobleman V opening, which is great when you want to let your horses' heads out. Now, if you don't want to let your horses' heads out, we have a little insert that you can put in. A few optional decorative features added to this stall are the finials, as well as the door arch. Both add a very majestic touch to the whole barn. These stalls feature a swing-out feed door. Super convenient when there are many mouths to feed and you don't want to be opening every single stall door. The owners opted for privacy partitions for each of the stalls, which we love because it allows the horses to have a quiet place to eat, but then they can come over to the grill for socialization if wanted. HFH designed these gorgeous grooming stalls, which feature post and beams from System Equine, as well as our eye tiles. Let's head into the tack room. I have something cool to show you. Here we have System Equine multi-bridle hooks, which I absolutely love because they keep the natural shape of the bridle while also looking fantastic. Here we have another set of double Dutch doors, these ones leading into the gorgeous arena. These also feature all System Equine hardware. This is our System Equine heavy-duty iron grip latch. It features an easy open and an even easier close.